In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import invoices into QuickBooks Online. Now, if you're managing a business, you know how important it is to keep all your financial data organized and accessible in one place. QuickBooks Online is a powerful tool for this, and being able to import invoices efficiently can save you a significant amount of time. So, let's dive right into the process. First, we'll start by opening the QuickBooks website. You'll want to make sure you're on the correct site for QuickBooks Online, not to be confused with the desktop version. Once you've successfully logged into your account, you'll see the main dashboard. From here, I'd like you to navigate to the upper right corner of the screen. Do you see the gear icon there? That's our settings icon. Give it a click. This is where all your settings and tools reside, so get familiar with this section if you haven't already. Next, when you're in the settings menu, look for the option that says Import Data. This is the gateway for bringing in various types of records into your QuickBooks account. Select Import Data and you'll be presented with numerous record types that you can import. For today's task, our focus is on invoices, so go ahead and select the Invoices option. This helps QuickBooks know exactly what type of information you're preparing to upload. Once you've selected invoices, you'll need to initiate the import process by clicking the Import button. Up to this point, you've instructed QuickBooks about the type of record you're dealing with. Now, let's provide it with the actual file. After you click Import, the next step is to click Browse. This allows you to locate and select the specific file you've prepared for import. Make sure that your invoices file is in the correct format supported by QuickBooks Online. Commonly, a CSV or Excel format works best, but always double-check if there are any specific guidelines you need to follow. Once you've found your file, click on it to select it. With the file selected, you initiate the import process. QuickBooks will begin to bring in all the data from your invoices, and there you have it. In just a few simple steps, you've imported your invoices into QuickBooks Online. This process not only saves you time, but it also ensures that your financial records are centralized and easy to access whenever you need them. Importing files like this can initially seem a bit daunting, but once you get the hang of it, it becomes second nature. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you found this guide as straightforward as intended. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful QuickBooks tips.